Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Welcome. This video shows how to use spatial audio on Spotify, updated for current devices. First, confirm you have Spotify Premium and the latest app installed. Next, ensure your phone runs iOS 14 or later, or Android 10 or later for best support. Use headphones that support spatial audio, such as AirPods Pro or similar models. Prefer Bluetooth 5.0 or a wired connection for stable playback and low latency. Spatial audio uses Dolby Atmos for supported. Open the Spotify app and tap the gear icon to access settings. Scroll to playback and look for the spatial audio option in the list. Toggle spatial audio on to enable the feature for compatible tracks. When available, choose Dolby Atmos playback from the spatial audio menu for the full effect. If you switch headphones or connection type, restart playback to ensure the spatial audio setting takes effect. You can toggle spatial audio off anytime to revert to standard stereo playback. Spatial audio applies only to tracks that Spotify has encoded with Dolby Atmos. Not every song will include spatial audio, so check the track details or album notes. If sound stutters, switch to a wired connection or toggle Bluetooth off and on to re-establish a clean link. Ensure your app and operating system are up to date to avoid compatibility issues. Remember that spatial processing can increase battery use slightly during long listening sessions. Finally, compare stereo and spatial modes to decide which you prefer for each track.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.